YouTube. I got a tiny little tip here. You know what? Sharpening welding pencils are a pain in my ass. I also sharpen other pencils, and see you can. These are great pencils. They're what are they made by? Silver Streak welding pencil. They draw great. They're great. But I keep losing the sharpener. So try to look around my shop. Where the hell's the sharpener? So if you ever get a chance, you go to a garage sale, pick up one of these things. And just mind you, the screw holes. I'm actually gonna attach this to my welding machine. You just put it in here like this, and screw holes. But I'm right-handed, so I should go like this. See, old school. Look at that, perfectly sharp. No more shitty little pencil sharpeners. I have to take this one off. And this thing's bent here, but $5 at a garage sale. Look how sharp it gets. Perfect. You ever see one of these? People don't use them. Look, they're great. They never go. I don't know why people got rid of these things. Schools. I guess they didn't want people using pens on them. But the only problem I noticed, I have another one in my house. I don't know what like century these were made, but these screw holes are so small. I might just put bigger screw holes in it because I don't have any screws that'll fit in here. I have to go get some, but look, it's pretty cool. An old, who makes this? Boston pencil sharpener. If you see one of these things, pick them up. They're great for your shop or sharpening pencils, especially if you don't use if you don't if you don't have carpenter pencils. Carpenter pencils, well, it's a whole other story. But these are pretty cool. They have the other kind that takes different sizes, which I have at my house. But I like antiques and I love these things. So, little tip. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.